Cooking out on the back porch. Got all my spicy country sausage patties here flattened out, and starting to cook these up. Pre-cook them because I'm going to dip them in pancake batter next. Let's see if this recipe I see people doing really works. So we'll bring it back. Hope this recipe works. Pancake battered sausage patty sounds awfully good. Best thing to camping, I'd say. Browning up rather nicely. Cooking outdoors at a nice cool 65 degrees probably. Loving life. Hello.
Say hi, Mommy, Daddy. Say hi, Mommy, Daddy.
Oh yeah.
Isn't it good? Really good.
That spicy sausage being cooled down by that pancake batter.
Yep.
This is the winner. It's just a little tweaking yet, but it's definitely a winner. Sleeper Barbecue, mountains of PA, enjoying life. Catch you next time.